Are you ready to discover the infinite possibilities of AI? The future is here and it's more exciting than ever. AI is the most powerful tool that humanity has ever created. It's changing the way we live, work and play. From self-driving cars to virtual personal assistants. AI is making our lives easier and more efficient. But the future of AI is even more incredible. Imagine a world where machines can understand natural language, analyze vast amounts of data, and make predictions with near human-like accuracy. A world where AI can assist in medical diagnoses, predict and prevent natural disasters, and even discover new drugs and treatments. But that's not all, AI is also revolutionizing industries such as finance, retail, and transportation. With AI, businesses can increase productivity, improve customer service and gain valuable insights from data. It's not just about automating tasks, but about creating new opportunities and solving complex problems. The future of AI is not just about machines, it's about humans and machines working together. It's about creating a symbiotic relationship where machines can augment human capabilities and help us achieve more than we ever thought possible. So join us on this exciting journey, as we explore the infinite possibilities of AI. Together, we can discover new ways to improve our world and create a brighter future for all of us. The potential of AI is limitless and the possibilities are endless. But don't just take our word for it, try it out for yourself. There are many ways to get started with AI, whether it be through online courses, tutorials, or even experimenting with pre-built AI models. The key is to start small and build up your knowledge and skills over time. And remember, the future of AI is not just about the technology, it's about the people who create it and the impact it has on our world. So let's work together to ensure that AI is developed ethically and responsibly, and that its benefits are shared by all. So, are you ready to join us on this exciting journey and discover the infinite possibilities of AI? Let's make the future brighter together!